Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2016 Dodge Challenger RT in blue pearl on black interior. So it's the classic. It's got the nice classic wheels there on it, as you can see. And we'll just start over here around on the trunk. So nice size trunk on the Challenger, lots of space for luggage and whatnot. Just have a look underneath. So this one has the full-size spare. It's got the battery there in the trunk. It even has the instruction guide on how to change the tires. So very cool. Nice and clean car, as you can see in the frames there. Looks good. We'll just close this up, have a look at the back. We've got the nice wing spoiler on there. We've got the reverse camera in the wing spoiler. So that's there. Nice LED taillights on this. We've got the dual exhaust. We've got the park sensors, so there's backup sensors on the bumper right there, as you can see. So that's perfect. And we'll just start over on this wheel. So no curb rash, no issues, looks good. Nice chrome wheel. And here we are at the passenger side. So we've got baseball stitching that goes around the leather there. We've got power windows and power locks. And we do have the Alpine 9-speaker stereo in this as well. We've got the Challenger kick plate there, looks good. We've got the Alcantar inserts with leather sides with the RT embroidered in the seat. They are heated and cooled seats as well. And I'll just move this out of the way so we can have a look in the back. So on the back, again, same thing, leather in the center. We've got an armrest there that folds down, and then we've got the Alcantara inserts as well. So we'll move that back, and as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean, looks good. And we've got the nice Challenger logo there on the vent. Books, we've got books here, so that's perfect. And an extra wheel cover, so perfect, that's all there. And close this one up. I'll let you have a look down the side so you can see. No dings, no dents, looks good, very clean car. On the mirrors, we do have the, I don't know if you can see it, but right there, that's your blind spot monitor. So that'll light up orange if someone's in your blind spot. We also have heated mirrors on this one as well. So that's great. We've got the nice italic Challenger logo there on the side. And again, here's your front rim, so no curb rash, no issues. Looks great. Under the hood, here's your Hemi engine. So V8 5.7 liter engine, 345 cubic inches with 375 horsepower. It's got the nice Mopar cold air intake on it, looks great. And as you can see, everything is very nice and clean, looks good. So we'll just close this up and have a look at the hood. All right, I'll step back here so you can see. We've got the nice Hemi logos on the side. We've got the nice air intake or air grills on the front there. Here's your headlights. We've got the nice projector HID headlights with the angel eyes around the lights themselves. Same thing over here. And then the center light, that's actually your air intake that goes to the cold air. And we've got the RT badging. And then further down, we've got nice fog lights, and we've got the hide mount for the front license plate. So that's perfect. In terms of issues, one little stone chip right here that's been touched up. Let's see. And another little one here, which we'll touch up as well. Other than that, it's a very clean car, as you can see. Chin spoiler looks like it's in great shape. And here's your other front wheel. So again, looks great, no issues, no curb rash. Looking great. And same thing back here on this one. Looks good. I'll let you go down this side. As you can see, no dings, no dents. We've got the nice chrome fuel door cap. Looks good. And here we are at the driver's side. So power locks, power windows, power mirrors. And again, we've got that upgraded, I'll let you zoom in on that. No, it's not zooming in. That's okay, but it's the Alpine stereo that's in it. And there's your nice Challenger kick plate, nice Dodge floor mats. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame there, nice and clean. And let's start this one up. There it is. Sounds nice. Up on the dash, I've got 2 remote keys, as you can see there, so that's perfect. In terms of mileage, We've got 363 kilometers on it, so nice and low. We've got tire pressure monitor. We've got, let's flip through here, vehicle. We've got the performance apps, so that's there. Fuel economy, trip info, audio controls, messages, key fob battery low. We'll fix that, no problem. And perfect, so that's all there for you. And then over here we've got our radio, so I'll click radio first. We've got AM FM SiriusXM media, so you can stream Bluetooth from your phone. Controls, we've got auto dimming mirror, we've got the heated steering wheel, we've got heated and cooled seats, we've got the Uconnect apps, performance control, performance pages, all kinds of fun stuff is in there, right? If I hit climate, there's your climate control, so you can hit auto down here, and then that goes on up there, and you can control the dual zone temperature and all that stuff. You can also do it down there as well. If I go to the next one, we've got full factory navigation, view map. There's the map. There we are in St. George, Ontario, and I'll just put it in reverse. We've got a full backup camera, so that's perfect. That's all there. And then down here, so we've got our super track pack. We've got parking sensors on and off, traction on and off, sport mode, volume in tune, and then we've got the rest of the climate controls. There's your nice leather wrapped shifter, and we've got this nice pattern here, which is really cool. We've got the 2 cup holders here inside the center console. Let's see, we've got a Hurst shifter if you'd like to put it on, and we've got USB line in and micro SD, and there's also a 12-volt socket down there as well, so that's perfect. And I will just hop out with this one running, let you have a listen. Let's see here. Good sounding machine. There it is from the front. There it is from the back, nice chub to it. Nice clean car, you know, ready for you to do what you like to it. So if you want to modify it, change some things, put exhaust, things like that, it's a very clean car. It is ready for you to put your finishing touches on it. So here we have it, folks, 2016 Dodge Challenger RT in blue pearl with black interior here, and available at monroemotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.